Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Yes, it's another beautiful day for His Excellency Peter Obi and his team of very brilliant and very hardworking lawyers in court. And all the physical results, that is the forms EC8, A, B, C, and D, have been tendered to the judges and they've been duly accepted. And we're expecting that the witnesses will start, turning up to testify to the forms. Just like one of the Labour Party sons said in an interview yesterday. Alas, Obi stormed the court again with hard copies of results from the IREV. Evidence choke. See as they choke for court now.
You guys, and there are more coming. There are more coming.
Now, there are many places that Obi was said to have lost in the results that INEC declared. But on the IREV, he won those places. The results on the IREV showed that he won those places. One big example is a place like the Obiakpo local government in Rivers State. A place that he won over 90% of the votes. And that was the place that Wike used to even give APC to Rivers State. Scattered all Peter Obi's votes there, scattered everything, gave everything to APC. Meanwhile, IREF shows that Peter Obi recorded a landslide victory and many other places like that. And as I speak to you, all the results of the 2023 election have not been uploaded to the IREF. But from the ones that have been uploaded so far, Obi is leading. And remember, the INEC National Commissioner was saying in an interview that according to the electoral law, if there is a dispute between the physical results from the form EC8 and the electronically transmitted results, which is the result on the IREV, he said the one on the IREV will take precedence. Here I seen the talker.
The physical result as handed over to him, he or she will also look at the Gbas as handed over, and then look at the from EC8 or the polling unit level result as already transmitted through the IREV, and the accreditation data as already transmitted before entering the scores into from EC8B, which is the registration area result. Now, if there's a dispute relating to the physically transmitted result, so to say, and the electronically transmitted result, by our own regulations and by our own guidelines and procedures, the electronically transmitted data and the electronically transmitted result will take precedence.
You heard him. If there is a dispute between the physically recorded results and the electronically transmitted results, then by INEC's regulation, by INEC's guidelines, the electronically transmitted results take precedence. So all those places where will be win for IREV, now that IREV result, now they're supposed to speak. So what bringing the IREV result to court does is that it creates a dispute between the result that was announced, because the form EC8D result, now be the national result where they take announce say Tinubu win. There will be a dispute between that form now and there will be a dispute between that form and the results on the IREV in many local governments, in many states. What do you think the court will now do? Now, as I speak to you, INEC has not finished uploading all the results of the 2023 presidential election to the IREV. But with the ones that they have uploaded so far, Obedience went and collated everything, and Obi is leading so far. The IREV is there. Anybody can go there and do his own collation. Now, there are two possible outcomes here, and the two of them will bring a win-win situation for Obi. Number one is that the court may say, let us stick with the IREV results. Although I believe strongly that the IREV results are not complete. I don't think INEC has uploaded all the results. But if the court say, make we stick with them. If court say, make we stick with results we no complete, Obi go win. But if the judges decide that we should stick with the physical Form EC8, that is the polling unit forms that were tendered by Obi, then what they will do first is to add all the results of the polling units from all the states that Obi tendered. Then they will now compare it with the national results that was announced from the Form EC8D. For that one now, na Tinubu win. But when they now compile all the figures from the EC8 of all the polling units of all the 36 states, the gap will be give them wide. So there will now be a dispute in the physical result again. So wahala must dey anyhow. And once there is dispute like this, my brother, waiting me I dey see be say, waiting I dey see. Anyway, may I no talk, I no go talk. Make I leave am for the judges to decide. Make all of us just keep our fingers crossed. Oh boy, see IREV results. See IREV results. Hi. And I'm wondering how the judges go take count all these things. And I'm hearing from good authority that they will count everything in court. Maybe they will use a projector or something. Count them one by one, collate everything, make it transparent. Oh, how I would have loved if they transmitted this thing. Make them transmit and make the whole Nigerians they watch. And it is constitutional. I don't know why we have to beg for our constitutional rights in this country. They will say, respect the constitution, respect the constitution. Somebody will just stand up and say, it is not possible, we are not doing it. Meanwhile, it is in the constitution. How much will it cost to televise this thing? If for good, make we use our eyes, see all these things where they happen. And it would have been easier. It would have been easier for even the judges to call. The truth would have been easier for them to say. Because that is when I can guarantee you that if it is to show by, if tribunal is to resume by 2 o'clock, by 12:30, everybody go down there, they wait. If lights no day, people go buy fuel, even at 2,000 naira per liter, urgent to watch her. I'm telling you, Nigerians are that keen on change. At that point, the judges will feel the support of the people more. It will help them to be able to dispense judgment without fear or favor. Because the kind of ambience, the kind of excitement that followed the campaign will now return. I'm not saying there's no excitement now. Of course there is, but in no day like if to say they televise this thing, where everybody they watch and like super story. Like that, the way INEC lawyer can't talk say, why is Atiku's witness asking Atiku to be declared when he didn't get 25% in FCT? You go talk that kind of thing when everybody they watch. You go confirm 25%. People for don't they talk, say, make una do quick end this case. This INEC lawyer don't finish everything. Anyway, make I leave am here. Obedience, una don't try. There is no political support group in the history of this country. I dare to say, in the history of Africa, we reach una obedience. As we they drop, now so una they watch, una they support. I want to say a big thank you to all of you. And we will continue to do our best to the update una. And make I forfeit the update una.
Come out now.
Everything will be fine. Everything will be, don't be scared. I'm sure this general will say like
Yes. So what are you doing? We'll talk tomorrow. I witness that.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.